What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to State 48 Turtle and Tortoise. Today we've got a hodgepodge of a video for you. Decided to give you guys a little rundown on the trip. Chickens are all here waiting, probably ready for some food. But guys, you guys are gonna see some absolute banger footage in this video. Some highlights of Reptile Store we went to, some highlights of the Billy Joel concert, and we got more animals. This is the family Chevy Malibu, and we have got some chickens in the trunk, so I gotta hurry and get them out. I'm gonna set up the tripod and film myself there. But I gotta clip their wings as I take them out because these suckers can friggin' fly. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tripod, get them out, probably put it on a time lapse really quick, and I'm also gonna show you guys some hilarious footage of me trying to catch them. So I'll go ahead and get that done and get on to the other video. All right, got all the chickens unloaded. It went a little bit better than anticipated. Got all their wings clipped. They are already establishing a new pecking order. And honestly, I'm surprised because I thought the new ones were gonna try and come in and assert their dominance because they're a little bit bigger than the rest of my chickens. So you guys are keeping the tally. It's 28, 33, 34 chickens now. Well, one of them's a rooster, so we're gonna have to get rid of him. Right now, he's not causing problems. He kind of keeps things under control, I feel like. That guy right there. But you can see they're establishing a new pecking order, and then the rooster comes in and tries to say, hey, what's going on? But he doesn't know which side he's on. But it's all good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and roll that footage of me catching them because it was pretty hilarious. How many can I hold in my arm? She's bad and bougie, dude. I guess I grabbed the easy ones first, huh?
You want me to film or you want me to crouching?
Well, let's throw these three in. I'll grab the other three.
Here, hold on.
Where'd they go? Dude, you got like 800 eggs back there.
I know. Can we just hold that?
She went out
So
that
much for the.
All right, so you can see that was pretty eventful. My friend Brody in Vegas, shout out to him. So yeah, quilting. Oh no, he's making noises. Guys, I can't have a rooster that makes noises because that's super annoying. So he might be going sooner than later, but guys, shout out to Brody at So Yeah Quilting. If you like quilting, go check out his channel. Super cool. He decided he did not have time for his chickens. So I said, okay, well, I will, I'll take them off. Well, he kind of forced me to take them off his hands, but I'm not gonna say no to more animals. So anywho, wow, the rooster definitely learned how to make noises while I was gone. Tortoises and turtles look like they're doing good. I just had to reset the ramp for the turtles. Let's check in here and make sure they didn't tear down their heat stuff. Yep, everything's plugged in. Heat lamp's still good. Everyone seems to be in good health. And we've got Scarlett, as always. She's literally out all day, every day. Got the little one there. Emily's taking care of the dogs. Waiting for my mother-in-law and family to get back because they were watching the house, the farm, and most of all, our sweet little baby girl Heidi. So we're excited to see her. So we're waiting for them to get back because they went and ran an errand right before we got home. But guys, gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the footage, the rest of the stuff that I talked about here on this trip. We will wrap up this video. Oh yeah! Whoa, don't trip there, guys. the blush. All right, guys, that was our trip to Vegas. The concert was amazing. It's fun to see friends and to get some more chickens. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Appreciate you watching the video. If you guys could like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Keep trying to bring you guys better content. But I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next
Rosenberg's H-bound Sugar Ray, and Rock and Rock, the King and Knight, and the Catcher in the Rock.